as soon as you realize that you are the thing that's giving rise to those ideas, you also understand that you cannot see behind that thing because you can't see behind yourself.
Yes, 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 yes,
Like
yes,
that
yes.
is the limiting factor, right? And so if it is true that you are inherently limited in a particular way, it's also impossible for you to know the nature of that limitation, which means that the only thing that you can do is you can make conjectures about the nature of reality, build things, and then observe the degree to which they conform.
Yes, yes.